Is your trusty Microsoft mouse acting up, and you're ready to take matters into your own hands? First things first, gather your tools. You'll likely need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool or spudger, and a soft cloth. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area with plenty of space. Flip the mouse over. Look for a battery compartment cover, which usually has a small indentation for easy opening. Also, take note of any visible screws. Some models hide screws beneath labels or pads, so inspect carefully. If there's a battery cover, gently pry it open with your fingernail or the plastic opening tool. Avoid using metal tools here, as you don't want to scratch the plastic. Remove the batteries if present. If you see screws, use the correct size Phillips head screwdriver to remove them. Store the screws in a safe place, like a small container, to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, carefully insert the plastic opening tool into the seam between the top and bottom halves of the mouse. Gently work your way around the perimeter, prying it open. Listen for clicks as the clips release. Once the clips are released, the mouse will split into two halves, revealing the internal components. Be cautious of any ribbon cables connecting the two halves. Now you have access to the internal components. For cleaning or repair, use a soft brush or cloth to gently remove any dust or debris. Be careful not to dislodge any components. When reassembling, ensure all ribbon cables are properly connected. Align the two halves of the mouse and gently press them together until all the clips snap into place. Replace the screws and tighten them snugly, but not too tight, or you might strip the threads. If applicable, reattach the battery compartment cover and insert new batteries. And that's it. You've successfully opened and accessed your Microsoft mouse. Hopefully, this helps get your mouse back in tip-top shape.